Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Carfection. Today, we've got something really special at the Aston Martin DBx. This is Aston Martin's very first SUV, and let me tell you, they didn't hold back. From luxury to performance, this thing is a game changer in the world of luxury SUVs. So, let's jump in and check out what makes it so special. Alright. So Aston Martin is obviously famous for making some of the most iconic sports cars out there. But the big question is, how does all that expertise translate into an SUV? Let's find out. First up, let's talk design. Aston Martin nailed it with the DBx. It looks just as stunning as their sports cars. You've got that signature grille up front, those sleek LED headlights, and these flowing lines that make it look more like a Grand Tourer than your typical SUV. Check out those 22-inch alloy wheels, and that bold rear end with the quad exhaust. So this thing has such a powerful stance. It just screams sophistication, but with a bit of an edge. You can tell it's ready to perform. Now, stepping inside here, this is where luxury meets cutting-edge tech. The interior is next level. From the full-grain leather seats to the hand-stitched details, everything feels premium. The seats, super comfortable. Plus, you've got heated and ventilated options, and they're fully adjustable. And just look at this dashboard, it's a work of art. Traditional craftsmanship meets modern tech with this gorgeous 10.25-inch infotainment screen. And let's not forget the panoramic sunroof. It makes the cabin feel really open and airy, making every drive feel extra special. Speaking of tech, the DBx is loaded. The infotainment system is super easy to use, and it's got everything you'd expect to Apple CarPlay, navigation, a premium sound system, and a whole bunch of safety features. You also get a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist to the works. You'll stay safe while still feeling wrapped in luxury. Alright, now the fun part of performance. Under the hood, we've got a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, pumping out 542 horsepower and 516 pounds-to-feet of torque. This thing goes from 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds. And trust me, you feel every bit of that power. The 9-speed automatic transmission is super smooth, and with all-wheel drive, you've got all the grip you need whether you're cruising on the highway or hitting some off-road terrain. The handling is also crazy impressive for a vehicle this size. It feels light, nimble, and super balanced, thanks to the adaptive air suspension and active anti-roll system. And what's an SUV without some practicality, right? The DBx has plenty of cargo space here, 632 liters in the boot too, and if you need more, you can fold down the rear seats. So whether it's a weekend getaway or a grocery run, you're covered. So, what do I think? The Aston Martin DBx isn't just a luxury SUV, it's an Aston Martin that happens to be an SUV. It's got luxury, performance, and practicality all rolled into one, and not many can pull that off. Whether you're an Aston Martin fan or just looking for something unique in the luxury SUV